Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make news application. I'm going to share with you simple method to make news application. You can make this application using your Android device. Watch this full video without skipping any part. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. You can visit on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform and you can click on sign up button. Now you can type here your name. You can select your country, you can type your email address, password, you can accept its terms of service and then you can click on send button. You can also continue with Google. I have already created account on this platform. I'm going to sign in. Now you can click on create app button. You can type your app name. Now you can select your app icon. Click on choose from gallery button. You can select your app icon. Now you can select your language. Type your app description. Click on next button. Click on next button. Click on create an empty app button. Click on go to app manager button. Now click here. Click on menu type button. You can select here this option. Click on save button. Now click on sections. Click on create section button. You can select here web option. Type your section title. Now in next step you can open new tab and you can search your Google News. You can visit on this URL. Here is showing URL. You can copy this URL. Now go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform and you can paste here that URL. Click on save button. Now click on download app button. You can click here to download this application in APK format, or you can scan this code to download this application. As you can see, this news application is working well in my Android device. Similarly, you can make this kind of simple news application. You can share this news application with your friends. You can make your own news application. If you want to learn more about app development, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.